Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Exercise 16.3 question number 12. Let's see the question. Check whether the following probabilities P of A and P of B are consistently defined. Consistently defined means it should be a probability. If it is possible or not, we need to find. Let me explain you because here P of A, P of B, P of union, intersection are all given. Already we have learnt in sets. If this is A and B, we know that this part is A intersection B. So this is A intersection B and A union B is everything. So according to our diagram, we know that union is everything. So union is quite bigger than A, bigger than B. And intersection, it will be smaller than A and smaller than B. So if you know this knowledge, then it's quite easy for you to identify whether this is consistent or not. In the first subdivision, if you notice, P of A is 0.5, P of B is 0.7 and P of A intersection B is 0.6. That means the intersection part is greater than P of A. So it can't be greater than A or it can't be greater than B. So according to the given thing, P of A intersection B is greater than P of A. So it can't be greater, therefore we can say that given data is inconsistent or is not consistent. So we'll move on to the next one. Now in the next one, the given data is P of A, P of B and P of A union B is 0.8. It's quite larger than this two. Let me find P of A intersection B also. So we know that P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. According to the given value, we know that this is bigger. So we know we can say that it is consistent, but anyway we'll see whether even the A intersection B is given according to the condition. So here it becomes 0.8 equal to 0.5 plus 0.4 minus P of A intersection B. This becomes 0.9 and if it comes to this side it becomes minus 0.9 plus 0.8 equal to minus P of A intersection B. Here this becomes P of A intersection B equal to, A intersection B is equal to 0.1. Minus sign will go off. So this is smaller than P of A and P of B and A union B is larger. So we can directly say P of A and P of B is greater than P of A union B. Same way P of A and P of B, this is great. P of A union B is greater. Here P of A union B is smaller. A intersection B is smaller. Therefore we can say that consistent. Here A union B is larger than P of A and P of B. A intersection B is smaller than P of A and P of B. So we can say that they are consistent. That's all with the sum. Thank you.